Did you know that 60% of people who use credit cards end up paying unnecessary interest? If you're part of that percentage, this video is for you. Today we're going to learn how to master the use of credit cards so that instead of harming your finances, they become a tool to improve your financial health. Credit cards can be a powerful tool for building a good credit history, taking advantage of rewards, and improving our financial health, but they can also become a trap if we don't know how to manage them correctly. The reality is that many people use credit cards without a plan, and that can lead to growing debt, high interest rates, and a damaged credit score. This video will teach you how to become the master of your credit cards and avoid those common mistakes. If you learn to use credit cards to your advantage, you can enjoy a number of benefits, earning points and cashback. Some cards offer rewards like cashback and points that you can redeem for travel, discounts, or even cash. These are payments. They allow you to make purchases at any time without needing to carry cash. Access to credit lines. Having a credit card allows you to access credit in case of an emergency or unexpected expense, building credit history. If you use your card responsibly, you can build a solid credit history that will benefit you when applying for loans or other cards in the future. A credit card is not just a purchasing tool, it's an opportunity to build a good financial history and benefit from rewards. This is where many people go wrong. Good use means paying off the entire debt each month, avoiding impulse purchases, and keeping the balance low in relation to the credit limit. Misusing a credit card, on the other hand, includes things like only making the minimum payment, accumulating debt, and using the card for unnecessary expenses. Misuse not only affects your financial health today, but it also damages your credit score, which in the long run will make you pay more interest on any loan you apply for. To really take control of your credit cards, follow these tips. Pay the full balance on time. If you pay the full balance of your card each month, you completely avoid interest. This means you can take advantage of the card's benefits without additional costs. Avoid minimum payments. Paying only the minimum may seem tempting, but it actually leads to growing debt. If, for example, you have a debt of $1,000 and only pay the minimum each month, you could end up paying more than double in interest. Not credit limit. Try not to use more than 30% of your credit limit. If you have a limit of $1,000, try not to keep a balance greater than $300 to avoid negatively affecting your credit score. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances on your credit card usually have very high interest rates and additional fees. They're only recommended in emergency situations. Picking the right credit card is super important for getting the most reward. Do some research to find cards that match what you like and what you need. If you travel a lot, look for a card that gives you travel rewards. If you like getting cash back, pick a card that offers cash back. Compare interest rates and yearly fees. Sometimes a card with no yearly fee is better if you don't use the card very often. Picking the right card can make a big difference in how you manage your money and the rewards you get. For those of you who already have credit card debt, here are some helpful tips. Debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first. This helps you stay motivated because you see progress quickly. Debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. This will lower the total amount you pay in interest. Also, think about debt consolidation if you have lots of cards with high interest rates. A consolidation loan can help you combine all your debt into one monthly payment with a lower interest rate. Using a credit card responsibly is one of the best ways to build a good credit history. This means making payments on time, avoiding high balances, and regularly checking your credit report for errors. A good credit score not only improves your credit options in the future, but it can also open doors to better interest rates and additional benefits. Credit cards can lead us to spend more than planned due to their ease of use. Here, it is important to recognize the psychology of impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before making a large purchase and evaluate if you really need that expense. Many times, that waiting period is enough to make you realize that it wasn't as necessary as you thought. Rewards programs are useful, but only if they are used intelligently. Remember that the benefits of cashback or points have no value if you accumulate debt by overspending. Take advantage of rewards programs to save on things you already need, without falling into the mistake of spending more just to accumulate points. Finally, let's go over some common mistakes. Not understanding interest rates. Make sure you know how much you're paying in interest. Rates can be high, and if you're not aware of them, debt can grow quickly. Piling up debt to pay off other debts. This is a slippery slope that usually leads to a debt cycle that's hard to break. Instead, look for payment strategies that don't involve new debt. Not paying attention to due dates. Paying late not only results in fees, but it also affects your credit score. Mastering your credit cards is an essential step to improving your financial health and building a secure financial future. Using these tools wisely will allow you to take advantage of their benefits, avoid costly mistakes, and stay in control of your money. Has it ever happened to you that you misused a credit card and ended up paying a lot in interest? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more finance tips and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos.